In this video, we want to learn how to find the terms in a binomial without fully expanding. So for example, how do we find the fifth term in the expansion of the binomial 3 plus x raised to the power 7? Normally, we would want to expand this, but here we want to learn how to find the fifth term without expanding the binomial. So if we compare this to the general form of the binomial, we used a plus b raised to the power n. It implies that a equals 3, b equals x, n equals 7. Now, from our previous lesson, r plus 1 is equal to 5, or the fifth term is equal to the r plus 1th term. So here it implies that r is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. The r plus 1 term, or the nth term, is given by r plus 1 is equal to n combination r, a, n minus r, b, r. And therefore, if we do the substitution, we have 7 combination 4, and our a is 3, n is 7 minus 4, b is x, and our r is 4. So we do this evaluation, we have 7 factorial, 7 combination 4 is 7 factorial over 7 minus 4. This is minus factorial times 4 factorial, multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3, and then times x raised to the power 4. This then gives us 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. We stop here because we have 4 in the denominator, and divided by 3 factorial times 4 factorial. Now from here, we see that 27 times x to the power 4. This then evaluates to 4 cancels 4 here, and 3 factorial is equal to 6. So here, what we have is 9, 4, 5 x to the power 4. So the fifth term in the expansion of 3 plus x raised to the power 7 is 945 x to the power 4. When asked the coefficient of the fifth term, then it is 945 is the coefficient of the fifth term. As a second example, without fully expanding, find the sixth term of 2x minus 3y raised to the power 8. In this example, we are asked to find the sixth term in this binomial expansion. We know that the terms in a binomial expansion can be found by tr plus 1 equals n combination r, a, n minus r, b, r, where here in this case a equals 2x, b equals minus 3y, n equals 8, and r plus 1 equals 6. Therefore, we say r equals 5. Substituting into our equation, we have the sixth term, which is t 6 will be equal to 8 combination 5 times 2x raised to the power 8 minus 5 times b minus 3y 5. Now on evaluating, this equal to 8 factorial over 8 minus 5 all factorial times 5 factorial multiplied by the term in this bracket. We have 2x raised to the power 3 multiplied by the term here, which is minus 3 raised to the power 5. This equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 5 factorial. This is multiplied by the term here, and that gives us 8x cubed multiplied by the term here, and that gives us 243 y 5. We can now cross some terms. 5 crosses 5, and 3 factorial is 6. It crosses 6 here. So this equal to 8 times 7 is 56 times 8 times 243. That gives us negative 108.864 x cubed y to the power 5. So this is the sixth term in the expansion of the binomial 2x minus 3y to the power 8. When asked, the coefficient of the sixth term is negative 108.864. That is the coefficient of the sixth term in the expansion of 2x minus 3y to the power 8.